A car alternator is a device that generates electricity for your car's electrical system. It also helps to recharge the battery and power the accessories. A bad alternator can cause many problems, such as a dead battery, dim lights, or electrical malfunctions. Here are some signs of a bad alternator that you should watch out for. Warning light. Most cars have a warning light on the dashboard that indicates an alternator problem. It may look like a battery or say Alt or Gen. If this light comes on, it means that the alternator is not providing enough power to the battery or the electrical system. Dim or flickering lights. The alternator powers the lights on your car, such as the headlights, the tail lights, and the interior lights. If the alternator is failing, the lights may become dim or flicker on and off. You may also notice that the lights change in brightness when you rev the engine or use other accessories. Trouble starting or stalling. The alternator also helps to start the engine by providing power to the starter motor and the ignition system. If the alternator is weak, you may have trouble starting your car or keeping it running. You may hear clicking sounds when you turn the key, or the engine may crank slowly or not at all. Electrical problems. The alternator also powers the electrical system of your car, such as the radio, the windows, the locks, and the dashboard. If the alternator is failing, you may experience glitches or malfunctions with these features. For example, your radio may cut out, your windows may roll up or down slowly, or your gauges may act erratically. 15. Strange noises or smells. The alternator contains a spinning rotor and a set of brushes that create electricity through induction. If these parts wear out or break down, they may produce strange noises or smells from under the hood. You may hear a whining, grinding, or growling sound, or smell burning rubber or wires. If you notice any of these signs, you should have your alternator checked and replaced as soon as possible. A bad alternator can damage your battery and other components and leave you stranded on the road. You can use a voltmeter to test your alternator's output voltage or take it to a mechanic for a professional diagnosis. A new alternator typically costs between $100 and $300, depending on the type and quality. I hope this information was helpful to you.